vintage gold. I'm playing with my new adopted baby, a new guitar from my client when he trying to throw them in the trash today. When we trying to hand the key to the buyer, I said, okay, let me collect them so I can reuse them and play some instrument with my friends. So I'm a good collector. I collect the stuff from my client when they don't want to use them or there's no use to keep them. So I adopt them and I keep them, recycle them, and stage them when I'm trying to sell houses. Emily Wan, Century 21 Vintage Gold in Philadelphia. If you're looking to buy or sell in the Great Philadelphia area, let me know. Thank you so much.